Sometimes your Telegram chat list can become crowded with groups and channels you no longer use. Maybe the conversations have slowed down, the notifications are overwhelming, or the content simply isn't relevant anymore. Whatever the reason, Telegram allows you to leave any group or channel whenever you want, and the process only takes a few moments. To get started, open the Telegram app on your Android or iPhone. From your main chat screen, scroll through your conversations and find the group or channel you want to exit. Tap on it to open the chat. Once the conversation is open, tap the group or channel name at the top of the screen. This takes you to the chat's information page, where you'll find settings, member details, shared media, and more. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. If you're using an iPhone, look for the More option if it's available. From the menu that appears, choose Leave Group or Leave Channel. Telegram will ask you to confirm your choice before removing you from the chat. Simply tap Leave to continue. As soon as you confirm, you'll be removed instantly and the group or channel will disappear from your chat list. If you ever change your mind, you can rejoin a public group or channel using its invite link or ask an admin to add you back if it's private. That's everything. Leaving a Telegram group or channel only takes a few seconds. See you in the next tutorial.